Dhin and welcome back to Gem from Raf Food channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fajitas during our stay in our Airbnb here in Switzerland. And I also added cinnamon on the onion, so better check it out. You're asking me why I did it. I don't know, but it's really good. So you want to cook with mom? And this is easy to make. Season the chicken. Cumin. Paprika too.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Paprika, universal mix or whatever seasoning with chili you have, and cumin.
Oh, I actually like to put some olive oil here too, so it's not too dry. Like that.
Ouch. You're stepping on my toe. Ouch. Carlton has a habit of doing this, stepping on toes. Ow.
Hey!
Ow, Carlton. You're not a puppy anymore. It hurts.
I'm gonna add more because
the root, that's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off, the onion will start to bleed and you'll start crying rapidly.
Watch where you swing that knife, yo.
sorry. Let's wash it. Maybe I'll just use half. Just using half. Okay, now it's time to cook. Okay, I'm gonna start the oven too because we're gonna warm up the fajita, the tortilla. Gonna add our onion. Okay, as soon as you smell it, we're gonna add cinnamon. What? Go ahead. Cinnamon.
Can't really see you that well through the screen. Hello.
Hey, chicken. Seasoned. So this is Saint Pauline. I'm gonna grate this. Swiss cheese, of course. I'm also gonna add sugar.
Yeah!
Brown sugar. This is complicated, look. Cool. Nice back. I like it. I like the cumin. This is done. Look at the nice view. Gonna grate some cheese on top. It's pockets. It's so cute. That's why we like it. It's so cute. So you hold it like this. Warm it up in the oven for like 5 minutes. Like this. Put it in here. 5 minutes. The big one, small one, small one. And you can use any cheese you like. this one. Maybe we'll do big ones for this. Wow. Yeah, big one.
How do I feel about the cheese?
Oh, green on top. Is there like good lighting? Okay, let's go outside. Here. Okay. Alright, this is already warm. Okay, open it up. I like to put a little bit of rice at the bottom. Rice in there. Put it in there. Alright. A little bit of greens. Cheese on top. And then the salsa.
Oops.
There it is.
Elegant.
That's so elegant. Well, I'm good. Well, there's one. There's a little bit. Yeah, there you go. That's much better. Very good. And I like mine in a salad. Perfect. Number 2, I also like top of my rice. Just like that. Good with rice.
So wild horse?
You want to say hello to your friends? Yeah? You want to say hello? You don't want to? Okay, well, I'm going to say hello, Carlton.